Over the last 90 days, we've generated $1 million in sales opportunities for a window installation client of ours who's in Calgary, Canada. And we've only spent $7,500 in ad spend so far. Now, in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how we do this, from running high converting Facebook ads to using a backend automation that instantly follows up, pre-qualifies the leads, make sure the leads are serious before we send them to our end clients. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Peyton Rasti. My agency does lead generation for home improvement companies, helping them get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately make more money. So if that's something you guys are interested in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because I'm going to be dropping new videos on a weekly basis. Now, this is the Facebook ads dashboard. $7,500 in ad spend from February 21st, 2025 to May 15th, 2025. Now, here's our marketing funnel. This is the holy grail of marketing. This is what you need if you want to maximize the chances of turning most of your leads into booked estimates and ultimately sales. Now, the first thing first is we come up with an offer. Before doing anything, you got to come up with an offer. If you don't have an offer and you're going to just run ads, you're going to be wasting money. So the most important thing we do, number one, is we come up with an offer that our client's market has not seen, something very unique. Once we find that offer, we're going to run meta ads to that offer. Now, once we run the ads, we're going to have a call to action where we're going to take the lead's information, which is going to be name, phone number, email, city. We're going to ask if they're homeowner, age of the current windows, number of the windows that need replaced, and how soon they want the windows replaced. Now, one important thing is on our ads, we position the messaging in a way that it's going to attract people who are looking to install 10 plus windows, because you don't want to be dealing with people looking for 1 to 5 windows. Unless that's your goal, then we can do that. But for this client, most of our clients, we want people who have, who want 10 plus windows. So that's a bigger project. Now, the moment they fill out that form, they're going to become a new lead. They're not a pre-qualified lead yet. They're just going to become a new lead. You don't see this. So on our end, we're going to have an instant follow-up. So the speed to lead is insane, which is instantly. So the moment they come in within like 3 to 5 seconds, we're going to send them an immediate SMS notification just to pre-qualify them, which is going to go something like the following. Hey, first name, it's Kelly from XYZ Windows and Doors. Great news, you've pre-qualified for the 2025 window replacement, or whatever your offer is. Then it's going to say, just reply with a yes to confirm your phone number, and we'll set up your free consultation. 2 things this does is it's going to make sure the client has given us a correct phone number, not a fake or somebody who's spamming this. So we're going to make sure that it's a real phone number and that they said yes, that they want a free consultation. So this does 2 things. Because on Facebook, you're going to have people, who are going to fill out the form out of curiosity. Some are going to put a wrong phone number. Some are not serious. So having this backend automation that runs 24/7, right? It's important. This way, you're not wasting your time and resources on leads that are never going to, convert in the first place. Now, the moment they reply with that yes, they go through this basically bucket where we count them as a pre-qualified lead, instant lead SMS notification to our end client where they can call the lead and book that in-home estimate, and then show up, give the estimate, close, and that's it. Now, you may be asking, what if they don't reply with a yes? Well, that's an amazing question you asked. What a great question. So here's what we do if there is no response. Now, we're going to have 3 to 4 more SMS follow-ups so we can get that yes from them. Follow-ups is important, so that's why we have it on the back end. This is what we do for our clients. So after 10 minutes, if they don't reply with that first SMS, we're going to send another one. It's going to be like, still interested in a free consult? Reply yes, and we'll schedule a time that works for you. Now, if they don't reply to that, we have another one, the third one that goes out. Again, hey, first name, spots for the 2025 window replacement program are filling up. Reply with yes if you still like a free consultation. If they don't reply to that, we're going to have another one, just checking in. Are you interested in a new energy efficient windows? Plans start as low as $42. Reply with yes, or call me at this number for your free consult. Happy to help. Now, this is our SMS follow-ups, and most of the time you'd be surprised we're going to get like a yes on the third follow-up or the second follow-up. And it's important. That's why it's important to follow up with people. Now, the other things we have on the back end are retargeting ads. So people who have engaged with that ad, opened up the form, or submit the form, we're going to have retargeting on the back end. So everywhere they go, they'll see you on social media. And the more they see you, the more they're going to think of you as the popular choice. Now we have email marketing on the back end. And then we have the SMS and voicemail drop. So all this is, the purpose of this is just to be in their face, because we know these people are interested. So we want to just be everywhere they go. So we position ourselves as the expert. So that's how this works here until we get the yes. So once we get the yes, then they're going to again become a pre-qualified lead. Instant lead SMS, call the lead, book that, estimate. And now you may be asking, what do we do with the rest of the leads that are, they reply with no or invalid phone numbers? You know what I mean? Now that's another great question. You guys have been asking amazing questions. So if they're bad leads, time wasters, here's what happens to them. They're going to go down the trash. They're garbage. They don't exist. If they put an invalid phone number, they replied with not interested, opted out. You don't have to deal with them. You don't even see them. We take care of this on the back end. They go down the trash bin where they belong. Now, that's about it. This is a marketing funnel. This is what we've, done for different niches within home improvement, HVAC, roofing, bathroom renovation, kitchen renovation, epoxy flooring, painting, whatever you name it. We've done this. So this works across all industries for local business, basically. And that's about it. If you guys own a window installation company or any home improvement company, you're looking for more leads, you want to book more jobs and ultimately grow your business, I'm going to put a link down in the description of this video. You can book a call with me, somebody on the team. We're going to go over a quick phone call, see if this is a right fit. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and you have an amazing day.